everyone, I am Minaxi. Today, I would like to share a small improvement that has helped me save time and work more efficiently while sending emails through Outlook. Earlier, whenever I had to send offer emails, introduction emails, discounted offer emails, regret emails, or product-related emails, I used to search for old emails in the Sent Items folder or open a Word file where all the templates were saved. This process took extra time and required multiple clicks. To improve this, I created different email signatures in Outlook for various types of communication, such as discounted offers, inline UFM offers, introduction for compressed airflow meters, Magmeter Offers, and other frequently used emails. Now, whenever I need to send an email, I simply select the appropriate signature and the required content is instantly available. This has significantly reduced the time spent searching for templates and has made the email creation process much faster and more organized. This small improvement has helped increase productivity, reduce repetitive work, and ensure consistency in communication. Thank you.